So this is what it looks like. Little smart little box here. Now please take a look at the listing and make sure it's compatible with your vehicle, okay? Please make sure it's compatible. You got a little instruction manual, but I looked in here and it doesn't show what it's compatible with, so please make sure you know that before you get it. But they give you your cables needed to connect. You got your Type C to Type C. You got your HDMI to HDMI, as well as your Type C to USB. So we're just here to do the show and tell video, show you guys what it looks like so you're familiarized. And you can see how small and sleek it is. It's a nice sleek box that you guys can mount pretty much anywhere. When plugged in, you're going to see that it's blinking. And then you want to pair it and connect it. So it should be blinking.